In here, let's paint the apples. And paint the flowers whatever color you want. Okay, guys, you can paint it in purple, you can paint it in blue, pink, any color that you like for your flowers is going to be okay. Okay, now when you finish by doing this activity, like Miss Gabby, look at that, I'm almost finished painting my flowers. They're too small, so I'm trying to do my best effort by painting however I want my flowers with different colors. Okay, and then when we finished, we are going to grab some seeds. Okay, right here I have this kind of seed. You can have whatever type you seed that you have at home. This is linaza. I have even a different kind of, if you have bird seeds, you can use that one or whatever you have at home, so we can paste it right here, okay? Because we're going to make an experiment later about the way the flowers grow or the plants, okay? And for that, we're going to need a little bit of seeds and glue. Okay, so we're going to grab our glue and we are going to grab just a little bit and we're going to put it right here in the mountains. Okay, we're going to make just a straight line and we're going to use our fingers so we can spread it just like this. Okay, and we are going to pour a little bit of seeds. Let me first clean my hand. Okay, and we are going to grab, I have right here a little spoon so I can grab my seeds. Where's my spoon? There it is. I have a little spoon so I can grab my seeds, and like that I'm just going to spread it. Okay, right here in the book we're going to spread this on the book so we can put it right there and paste it on the picture. Ooh, looks pretty, huh? And we're going to smush it a little bit. Smush, 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 smush. So it can paste on the page and doesn't move. Okay, now with a lot of careful, we are going to grab, okay, we're going to move our book. Okay, so we can, if you have a tissue or a how do you call that, a glass or something, so we can just move all the seeds away. For example, I have right here, there you go, right here I have a cup of, so I can put all the seeds right inside of my cup and I don't make a mess, guys. Okay, now if you don't have a cup, you can use whatever you have in hand. You can try to grab a sheet of paper so you can pour it down. Oops, it's keep falling. And let's put this more right here in the cup. Okay, it looks like it's fine. And when we finish with this, we're going to let it dry, guys. And remember, these type of seeds have inside a plant. So for this activity, guys, we are going to do an experiment so we can see if we can grow a plant in our cup or whatever you have at home. Now, for this experiment, I'm going to use, well, we can use two things. I have a different type of seeds right here. I have chia seeds, okay? These are very fun to grow because they're the type of plant of this one, it's like curly. So I have this one right here. I'm going to put it. And you can use, if you don't have seeds, you can use beans, this type of beans. And I'm going to do two types of activity. So first I'm going to do the bean one. If you at home have beans, that's okay, you can grow those ones. And for that we're going to need a cup, a little bit of cotton, okay? We're going to grab, it's going to be one or two cottons, and we're going to stretch it, and we're going to make it like this, okay? Just a little line, because we're trying to make it a little bit fluffier but stretcher, okay? And we're going to put it right here, okay? We're going to do with 2 cottons like this and stretch it, okay? And we are going to need a water, okay? Now I have right here a cup of measure with water and a spoon right here, okay? So I don't make a mess. And we are going to grab our bean seeds. I'm going to grab, let's grab some 4, okay? Because we don't know what it can happen. And we're going to pour it inside of our cotton and glass just like this. And what are we going to do? We're going to grab water and we're going to pour just a little bit. We're going to try to only to put 1 spoon table of water. Now if you see it's a little bit dry, you can put in even 2 tablespoons of water. It doesn't need to be very watery, because beans doesn't need a lot of water. They need just enough so they can absorb it with the cotton, okay? So we're going to put it like this, spread it a little bit, just like this, okay? And we're going to leave it in a place where it has sun, because remember that plants need air, they need water, and they need the sun so they can grow a little plant, okay? So this is our activity from today. Now if you don't have this, I have another activity that it's much funner, and involves an eggshell. And for this activity I really like to draw a little face, okay? Because with this activity I can make grow hair with seeds. Now if you have bird seeds or chia seeds, whatever type of seeds that you have, you can use it right here. For this one I'm going to do some eyelashes because it's going to be a girl. I'm going to make a mouth with a nose and some lipstick. Now look at that. This egg has a little face, and my egg is going to be Miss Gaby's. Miss Gaby. Okay, that's my name, Miss Gaby. And inside of this, I'm going to do the same thing. Just one little ball of cotton, stretch a little bit. We're not gonna destroy this one because the shell is a little bit small and it's a little bit cozy. So we're going to grab a cotton and we're going to stretch it just like this. Stretch, 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 stretch. There you go, something like this. And we're going to put it inside of the egg with very careful, just like that. And we're going to pour, I think, a scoop, half a scoop of this one. This is half a tablespoon. We're going to do just half so we can make and grow some seeds. Okay, there you go, only half of this one. And we're going to pour it inside of the eggshell right there. I think that's enough. And we're going to grab water and pour it inside, inside of the egg. Just like this. Let's put a little bit more. There you go. Everything needs to be very, very wet. Trying to not to put a lot of water, just enough so the seeds are all wet, okay? And we're going to put it in the same place where that we put with the beans, okay? Just like this, so they can have a little bit of sun And every day we need to check our plants if they need water or if they need a little bit more air. Okay, let them grow a little bit. They don't need a lot of water, so we're just going to pour by touching the cotton. We're going to see if they're dry or not. If you see they're dry, we're going to pour more water and leave it there on the sun, and let's see what happens in 1 week, so we can see how much of the plants are going to grow. Okay, well guys, that was all from today. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Have a lot of fun at home, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, bye guys, I love you. See you soon. Bye.